Good afternoon, traders. It is Tuesday, November 5th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Uh, we had a pretty good day today. Uh, we had something really unusual happen that kept it from being a great day. Um, well, first of all, the Dow. You can see here, it opened up, looked like it was going to make a halfway decent rally and then kind of trailed off on the end, but it still ended up closing up 31 points, and that is a new record high on the Dow, even though it was kind of a tepid one. Uh, what happened today that uh, kept us from being a fantastic day was we had a position in uh, Pier One, Pier One, and that has been a pretty good stock for us. It's been moving up very strongly for quite some time, and something happened in the middle of the day. I tried to find out it had something to do with their administration, but it just collapsed. Um, and something happened with that today that is very rare. People don't realize I do not. I always have stops on my positions, even on day of entry. But those day of entry stops are so deep, they're practically never hit. But it got hit today with Pier 1, and we ended up taking a, let's see, it was like 11,000, yeah, it was an $11,000 loss in Pier 1. And for that reason, we lost $11,600 in our closed out trades today, which isn't real good, but we actually got three stocks that we carry over from that bunch, and if we had gotten out of those, we would have had a profit. But we're carrying those over into our 14 new positions for the day, 7 positive, 7 negative, but we have positive $20,000 open trade going into tomorrow. So I'm not looking at this as a bad day at all. $20,000 open trade is pretty good. And if we can get this Dow to pop up just a little bit tomorrow, that could be significantly higher. We'll just have to wait and see what happens. Anyway, it was the Pier 1 trade was a reminder that this is never easy. I'll show you three of the stocks today. This has been an amazing one. This is IMGN, which is Emugen Incorporated. And 2 days ago, we got into this thing and got out yesterday with $7,000 in profit there. And then today we got back into that stock and we have $5,800 in open trade equity in IMGN, and that closed almost on its high there. So that's been really a good stock for us, and this trade looks pretty good, at least right now. Then show you another good one here. This is Fossil, FOSL, Fossil Incorporated. That's a fashion company. Seems like an odd name to call fashion company unless they were doing old lady fashions, but that's probably kind of mean. I don't mean that. But anyway, we bought this yesterday right out of the open, and then it closed positive for us yesterday, but just screamed today. So we're still in it, and we're holding $6,000 in positive open trade equity in Fossil. And then finally, our huge trade is Arcadia Biosciences. We bought this about halfway through the day, and it's just unbelievable move today, up, 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 and away. Um, there is an earnings report coming out. I don't know if it's tomorrow. I don't know. I don't pay much attention to fundamentals. All I know is this thing stands there. We have $10,800 in open trade equity in Arcadia Biosciences. So we'll just have to see how that goes. Anyway, that's the way it went. Trader Bob signing off. I'll be back here tomorrow on Wednesday.